If you are looking for how to convert kilometers to miles in Excel, this is pretty simple and easy. For this, you need to use the convert formula. So for this, you need to put the equal sign and then use convert and open the bracket and select the cells, comma, double quote, and for kilometer you need to use km and double quote, comma, double quote, and you need to use mi for miles, double quote, and bracket close and hit enter. And 10 kilometers is equal to the 6.21 miles. Drag the other values and the results are in front of you. And similarly, if you want to convert miles to kilometers, then what you have to do is again put the equal signs, use the convert function, open the bracket, select the cells, now double quote, use mi miles and double quote, comma, double quote, use km for kilometers, double quote, and close the bracket and hit enter. And the drag it, and these are the values you can convert miles to kilometers. So with this convert function, you can easily convert kilometers to miles and miles to kilometers. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.